Hello, this is Jerome Sorlia, and today I'm going to share to you the new bills or polymer bills here in the Philippines. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So here I'm also showing to you my collection of Lucky Money. This is inspired by Chinese New Year. I bought Year of the Rabbit way back 2003, 2004, year of the what you call this one, dragon, and it's 2005, this snake. Anyways, here ito yung medyo matagal na. This is the 1000 that started everything sa panahon ni President Duterte. At ganito yung likod niyan. Katulad ng old bill, meron siyang pearl. And then, there you go. The oops. Tubataha Reef, I think. Before, I'm so happy na nagkaroon ako ng bill. Pero ngayon, I think this is already very common. Nice. And then, 500.
Since you reset the password, you have to use the temporary password as your current password. And
This is Pilantok, Visayan deer, spotted deer. And yung back niya, ganito siya. That's a parrot. Ito yung dating bill na 500. Dalawa sila dyan. Mag-asawa, politiko sa Pilipinas. It's Corico Wangco Aquino and who's this again? Ninoy Aquino.
Letters and numbers.
There you go, almost the same. Trivia: their son also became a president here in the Philippines. Next is ito. This is a peacock, right? And there you go. Ito naman siya sa likod. Butanding. Very nice. Dati akala ko may 200 pa to. Ngayon pala napeke ako. Hindi pala totoo yung buwaya. Kasi may may buwaya sa Pilipinas na nabubuhay siya between sa fresh and salt water. Yung parang silolong. And it's really huge, and I don't know bakit nila linoko-loko yun. Akala ko talaga meron siya. And this one is a musang. It's really nice. Ay, by the way, ito pala yung 100. Before nakalagay si President Rojas. Butanding and the Mayon Volcano. Yan siya. And then this is Osmeña before. And di ko pa pala pinakita yung likod nitong bago. The man is really very colorful in the Philippines. Kasi pag ginawa mong isang kulay lang yan, magreklamo na naman ng mga Pilipino. Diba? Alam lang ay magreklamo. Lahat ay reklamo. Pero sa akin naman, bigyan nila ako ng 1,500 regardless kung sino nakalagay dyan. Basta natanggap sa Pilipinas, tatanggapin ko. Hello? Yung mga tao nagreklamo sa mga polymer na ganyan, itapon nila, ibigay nila sa akin. Tatanggapin ko. Diba? Hehehe, joke lang. Pero totoo yun. Importante yung value ng pera. Among these, ito yung itatago ko kasi since bata ako, pag nag-change ng money, ay able to keep yung pinaka lowest tawag yun, Dominion ba yun? Meron akong 2 pesos na papel na bagong lipunan, and then 5 pesos pala na kulay green, Emilio Aguinaldo. Ang hindi ko lang ata na-keep 10 pesos. Pero, it's okay. Vinalag ko pala to kasi gusto ko ng gastusin tong 1,000 na to.
Yes,
I'm sorry.
Number, but I also need the
Ito, at saka yan. Gusto ko ng gastusin. Kasi what's the point of keeping it, diba? Sayang. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.